what is relevant and important for us is the middle line also, which is directly connected with the festival of lights, which says Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. May we be led from Asat to Sat, which is from unreality to reality, from ignorance or darkness to light, and from mortality to immortality. And Shankaracharya's commentaries on these lines are fabulous, and it is a very deeper and deeper explanation that it goes into Vedantic terms. But this can be taken very literally also. In our Vedantic thought and Hinduism, light and consciousness are always taken together and they are associated. Gita also says the self to be Jyotisham api tat Jyotihi. It is the light of all lights. The starting mantra of Veda itself is dedicated to Agni, which is light. And we saw that the end of the Ishavasya Upanishad also, the worship of Agni is there. So light is there, it is representing consciousness. And darkness is there, which is representing the opposite of knowledge, which is ignorance. So, the prayer is always going from darkness to light, from ignorance to knowledge, from mortality of our ego, body, mind and intellect towards the immortal being, which is the self. From the unreal, which is a manifold existence for a limited time, space, causation perspective, to the unlimited basis of existence, which is called as Sat. This is the real prayer. There is an attitude of surrender, and there is an understanding of that supreme reality, and our earnest prayer is to lead us from ignorance to light. Now we have this prayer in Hinduism not just directed to the Supreme Self, which is the essence of Upanishads, and that is the source of all knowledge. But we do have this prayer to various forms of gods and goddesses. This is quite unique to Hinduism. Probably it was there in other cultures also, but this is the only surviving tradition from time immemorial which carries out through this day.